Welcome to Health Services Employer Session of the 2022 East Kootenay Career Fair. We're coming to you from the traditional lands of the Ktunaxa and Kinbasket people. My name is Rhonda Sheridan, and I am the Co-op and Employment Services Coordinator here at College of the Rockies. We're excited to once again assist our students and job seekers of the Kootenays. Our annual career event highlights opportunities for recent grads looking to get their career of choice and those looking for summer jobs. We partner with Kootenay Employment Services and Work BC to bring you this career fair. And now a few words from Kootenay Employment Services.
Thank you, Rhonda. I am Sammy Morgat, the Community Ambassador with Kootenay Employment Services. We are very proud to work with the College of the Rockies to bring this event to job seekers in the Kootenays and to connect them with opportunities throughout the region and beyond. We offer employment services and programs, including Work BC programs through our offices in Cranbrook, Creston, Fernie, and Invermere. Come see your local center for more information. In this session, we have a lineup of 4 employers. They are Interior Health, CNS Senior Living, Aged Care, and Coaldale Dental. First up, I invite Interior Health. Speaking is Sandra Holman. And go ahead.
Hi, everyone. Thank you for joining our presentation today. My name is Sandra, and I'm a recruiter with Interior Health. In this short presentation, I'll share with you what Interior Health is all about and fill you in on some healthcare opportunities that we are currently hiring for. Thanks for joining. So before we get started, Interior Health acknowledges that we are collectively gathered on the traditional, ancestral, and unceded territories of the 7 Interior Region First Nations, where we live, learn, collaborate, and work together. Our region is also home to 15 chartered Métis communities, and it is with humility that we continue to strengthen our relationship with First Nation, Métis, and Inuit peoples across the interior. Interior Health is the publicly funded provider in the southern interior of BC. When most people think about healthcare, the first thing they think of are hospitals. And while many of our services are offered in the hospitals we operate, we also offer a wide variety of other important services, including prevention and health promotion, home and community care, long-term care, mental health and substance use, environmental safety and public health protection, lab and diagnostic imaging services, and so much more. As you can imagine, it takes a wide variety of skilled individuals to keep our organization running. And so we are constantly hiring not just healthcare professionals, but also support workers, such as cleaners and food service workers, administrative staff, business and financial services staff, IMIT, and many more. So here's a summary of Interior Health's purpose and what drives the work of our employees and volunteers at IH. To improve the health and wellness, to ensure sustainable health care by improving innovation, productivity, and efficiency, to deliver high quality care, and to cultivate an engaged workforce and healthy workplace. So the following few slides are all about our people at IH and to introduce our employee experience portfolio. We have various programs here to support our people, such as specialized recruitment, Aboriginal programs, an Employee Voices Advisory Group, employee recognition programs, long-term employee service awards, employee spotlight opportunities, and comprehensive onboarding for new employees as well. Per the Truth and Reconciliation Commission's call to action, Interior Health is committed to increasing our Aboriginal representative workforce to build an engaged, culturally diverse organization focused on the goal of providing high quality, sustainable health care through an engaged workforce and healthy workplaces. We build inclusive, trusting, and respectful relationships through our partnerships. At Interior Health, we love to say every person matters. Here are some of our newer Aboriginal programs at Interior Health. We have hired Aboriginal patient navigators. We're supporting cultural practices. We're promoting Aboriginal employment and the journey to Aboriginal cultural safety at Interior Health. Our diversity and inclusion programs at Interior Health have also been a focus in recent years. The Employee Voices Advisory Group was established to provide feedback and recommendations to improve diversity and inclusion at Interior Health to help ensure our workforce is a safe and inclusive place where everyone can bring their whole self to work. We've also implemented employee recognition programs, including our RAR, or Random Acts of Appreciation and Recognition program, and We Are IH, which is a news showcase program that we email out to our members. Now let's quickly talk about some of the perks of working at Interior Health. Depending on the collective agreement and employee status, the following benefits are employer paid. So further details and coverage amounts would be provided if you're offered a position with Interior Health, but they include extended health, dental, group life insurance, accidental death and dismemberment insurance, and long-term disability coverage. We have an employee and family assistance program, wellness program, pension and retirement, as well as several other perks, including relocation assistance for some specific opportunities. We offer vacation and leave based on the collective agreement, and education opportunities because we love to support our internal goal of room to grow. Some of the highest demand positions at Interior Health are healthcare assistants and LPNs. We love hiring grads for both professions from College of the Rockies. So healthcare assistants, or HCAs, are frontline care providers that make up an integral and valued part of a multidisciplinary team that work in a variety of practice settings, including home support, assisted living, long-term care, special care units, acute care, such as the hospital, and other home and community settings. So the typical duties of a healthcare assistant are to provide personal care and assist with activities of daily living, including bathing, taking temperatures, personal grooming, skin care, medication reminders, oral hygiene, all those type of activities. HCAs also assist with non-sterile dressing applications, mobility and transfer assistance with related lifts, and by observing and reporting changes in client behavior and condition. Licensed practical nurses are also a valued and integral part of our organization, whether that's in acute inpatient units, long-term care settings, or working with clients in their homes and communities. Professionals who choose nursing as a career come from a variety of backgrounds and bring vast knowledge in clinical and relational skill sets to every area of practice. Our team of specialized acute, long-term care, and community LPNs are caring, compassionate, friendly, and highly committed to their profession. At Interior Health, skills, competencies, and talents are supported in safe, collaborative, and interdisciplinary environments that equip our LPNs to do what they do best: deliver safe and high-quality patient care with compassion. Just a tidbit of information is that LPNs remain in demand in nursing homes, assisted living facilities, home care, and many other environments in BC. And the Bureau of Labor Statistics actually predicts job opportunities for LPNs to rise approximately 11% from now until 2028. So obviously very high demand for this profession. Now, how to apply. So we would love it if you went and checked out our website. You can see all of our opportunities that are available there, including those support services roles I spoke of earlier that don't require a lot of background and training. So our website is jobs.interiorhealth.ca. You'll see when you go to the website, there's a big search bar at the top where you can search jobs. When you find one that you're interested in, you can click on it and find out more information about the job summary and description and qualifications. If it's something you're interested in applying on, Simply click Apply Now. You'll need to create a profile on your website or on our website, and then you can apply for the position. Thank you for taking the time to listen to this presentation this morning. Please check out our website on the previous slide or reach out with any questions that you have to us at external.recruitment@interiorhealth.ca. Thanks again.
Thank you so much, Sandra. That was a really great presentation. Lots of great opportunities at Interior Health.
There sure are. Thanks for having me, Sammy.
You're welcome. Next up, we have Lisa Strong from Sienna Senior Living.
Thank you so much, Sammy, and thank you all for joining. In this presentation, I look forward to sharing more with you about Sienna Senior Living and some of the job opportunities that we have available. My name is Lisa Strong, and I'm the Manager for Talent Acquisition here at Sienna Senior Living for our retirement hiring in Ontario and for all of BC. So I'd like to take some time today to provide an overview of Sienna Senior Living, share more about our employment opportunities, and provide more information about our compensation and our total rewards package. So Sienna Senior Living is one of Canada's leading owners and operators of seniors residences with high quality properties and great locations. As you can see, one of our great locations is out in BC. So we have 8 long-term care residences and we have 9 retirement, 4 of which are what we call managed residences. So those are owned by other organizations and they've contracted out the management over to Sienna. So we do still provide hiring and full support to all of the staff on site from managers through to frontline. In Ontario, we have quite a few other residences and very shortly we will have residences, some in Saskatchewan and some additional in Ontario as well. So we are expanding and growing. And so in addition to our residences, we also have a support services office located and based out of Ontario. We do have members across Canada and in BC as well, where our corporate positions are based from. So this would include IT, payroll, total rewards, accounting, labor relations, and other areas. And in addition, there are traveling regional support roles for all areas within the residence, such as clinical support, our business operations, recreation, culinary, all the different aspects of operating and running a retirement or long-term care residence. So I was hoping to share a brief video just from one of our retirement residences here in BC, just to give some employee testimonials for what their experience has been working with Sienna. Okay, great. And just a quick disclaimer, this video was filmed prior to COVID, which is why you won't see anyone wearing a mask. So I thought I would go through why we would like you to join Sienna. So just a little bit of background about Sienna. We support our residences and team members in their day-to-day. So our goal is to provide opportunities for you to grow your career with us or to help you achieve your career goals. We provide access to learning modules created by our learning and development team, opportunities to grow with Sienna into management or corporate roles, and support from your peers across the country in similar roles. Whether you are looking to grow your career with Sienna, which of course we would love, or you're looking to grow your career outside, we'll support you in any area that you're looking to grow. So what Sienna offers, of course, we follow 5 values: respect, passion, responsibility, teamwork, and growth. And our values are how we live out our vision. So to awaken our communities to the positive possibilities of life's next chapters, and our mission to help you live fully every day. So as you can see, this is very much geared toward our residents. And our goal as team members, whether it be at our support services office or at the residences themselves, is to support our residents with their day-to-day, give them enrichment in their life, give them choice, and make sure that they're enjoying every moment that they are staying with us. With regard to teamwork, we want to make sure our team members are engaged, valued, compensated competitively, and encouraged to live in a healthy way. And with regard to growth and development, we definitely provide empowerment to our team members by providing coaching, mentoring, and feedback. We also encourage individual decision-making and autonomy in your role. In addition, we have some tuition reimbursement programs that are offered so you can continue to learn and grow. And it doesn't necessarily have to be a role that's related to anything you're doing with Sienna Senior Living. So some employment opportunities that you might find with Sienna Senior Living. This would include positions on site or at our support services office. So at our residences or at our sites, we have registered nurses and licensed practical nurses, healthcare aides, dietary and serving roles, cooks and chef positions, recreation and leisure, housekeeping, concierge, and of course our management and administration team. And on our corporate side, we have accounting, IT, human resources, payroll, regional support roles, and our business operations. So in terms of compensation, there's a lot of different ways at Sienna that we want to make sure our team members have a great total rewards package and really maximize what they can earn with us. So of course, rewarding loyalty. We have service rewards for the duration of time that you're working with Sienna. Depending on your location, we have health, dental, and vision coverage. Some sites are unionized, some are not, and our support services is under a different plan, but each one is very competitive. We have a referral bonus. So if you do refer a friend to work with us, you're eligible to receive compensation for that. We're implementing a share purchase plan where the organization will match or sometimes give additional shares based on how much you're earning, and a portion of that is removed from your paycheck, and that's your discretion if you'd like to join or not. But typically, it's like adding a bonus onto your own paycheck. We also have the educational investment, that would be the tuition reimbursement, and we have a very robust learning and enablement team program where they've implemented a lot of different modules and learning opportunities there. And then we also have an EAP plan. So in the event that you are experiencing hardship in your life or at work, it's a phone number that you're able to call and get support in that area. So some of the platforms that we leverage with Sienna, we use Point Click Care for all our resident files and information. We use a system called UltraPro for payroll and also for talent acquisition. We have Convita software for scheduling, which has been centralized with Sienna. And then we have an app called Crew. So if you are working with Sienna and you don't have access to a Sienna email account, this is a way that you can receive messaging and updates from Sienna so that you're always in the know, so that you know what's going on. So again, thank you so much, and we wish you all the best as you embark on a new and exciting career with Sienna Senior Living. We look forward to hearing from you. So I've included contact information for our recruitment team out in BC. So we have Barb Collum. She's a senior talent acquisition specialist for the interior in Okanagan. We have Michelle Mattinson, a senior talent acquisition specialist for the mainland and also Kamloops, and myself overseeing talent acquisition for Ontario and BC. We'd love to hear from you. Any questions or concerns that you have, anything that you wanted to learn about Sienna, you're welcome to email us directly. Or if you're interested in viewing our website, you can find us at careers.siennaliving.ca. Thank you so much for your time, and we look forward to hearing from you.
Thanks so much, Lisa. It sounds really great working at Sienna Living and lots of opportunities.
Great, thank you so much for having me.
Next up, we have aged care. Such amazing opportunities at aged care community. Next up, we have Coaldale Dental.
Welcome to Kootenay Dental Centre. We are a general practice dental office located in southern Alberta that has been serving Kootenay and Bow Island surrounding areas for over 40 years. In addition to general practice services, we are proud to provide our patients with dental implants, teeth whitening, Botox, and soon Invisalign.
I'm Dr. Jackie Pitstraw. I've been a dentist for 28 years, so I'm a dinosaur in the field, but I've still got at least probably 10 more years in me. I still like what I do, love it actually, love learning new things. We do kind of all different aspects of dentistry here. She wanted to know what I do in my spare time. I quilt, I garden, I ski. I've raised a couple of kids who seem to be turning out okay. That's about it.
Alrighty, my name is Dr. Kristen Lohughes and I work here at Coaldale Dental Centre. I've been a dentist for about 6 years now and I absolutely love my job. My most favorite thing to do is work with kids. I like helping the little ones, getting their teeth all nice and healthy again and educating parents, and basically the best feeling is that triumph of helping a kid who traditionally does poorly in the dental office and being able to help them do better and get the work done. And it's a very successful, very fulfilling feeling to help those little ones out. So that's my favorite thing to do here at the dentist office. Yeah, and a little bit about myself. I grew up in a small town in southern Alberta and I love working in a small town. It's, where all my morals are. And I like Disney. I'm a huge Disney fan. I like going to Disneyland and Disney Worlds and watching the movies and indoctrinating my children into the Disney world.
Hi, I'm Darcy. I graduated from College of the Rockies in 2018 and I did my practicum here at Coaldale Dental and I have been working here since then. I love my job. It's a great place to work. Everybody here is super friendly. Dr. Pitster and Dr. Lohughes are awesome to work for. Definitely enjoyed my past couple years here, and my favorite thing about dentistry would be my patients, probably. Everybody that comes here is awesome.
Thank you so much, Coaldale Dental. Lots of job opportunities there for sure.
And thank you for joining us today for the Health Services Employer Session. That includes the Health Services Session for the 2022 East Kootenay Career Fair.